Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad design. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Aim for at least 5 different types to ensure a beautiful spectrum of colors and textures. Thoroughly wash all your chosen fruits under cool running water to remove any impurities. Next, gather your essential kitchen tools, including a sturdy cutting board, a sharp chef's knife, and several mixing bowls for organization. This initial preparation sets the stage for a truly stunning fruit salad. Now let's get creative with cutting. Aim for uniform, bite-sized pieces, typically about 1-inch cubes, for most of your larger fruits like melon or pineapple. This ensures every spoonful is easy to enjoy. Don't be afraid to vary shapes. Try dicing some fruits, slicing others into elegant rounds, or even creating small wedges. For an extra touch of whimsy, use miniature cookie cutters on firmer fruits to create delightful stars or hearts. With your beautifully cut fruits ready, it's time for arrangement. Consider layering fruits by color, perhaps starting with darker berries at the bottom and moving to lighter melons on top to create a stunning visual gradient. A clear glass bowl is perfect for showcasing these vibrant layers. To add dimension, build height in your salad by gently mounding the fruits in the center, creating an inviting, abundant look. Think of it as painting with fruit. For the perfect finish, consider a simple dressing. A light drizzle of fresh lime or orange juice, or even a touch of honey, can enhance the natural sweetness without overpowering the fruit. Garnish your masterpiece with fresh mint, leaves for a pop of green and a refreshing aroma, or perhaps a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes for added texture. Serve your fruit salad immediately for peak freshness, or chill it for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.